Irita njira ya gũkinyanĩria matanya ma waaki wa nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ, thirikari nene ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na cia kaunti nĩ ciũrĩtio ciĩkĩrĩre tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere nĩguo kũgucĩrĩria aigithia arĩa marĩ na matanya ma kũigithia mĩako-inĩ. Makĩaria kĩgomano-inĩ kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe aigithia, marauga harĩ na bata wa thirikari cia kaunti inyitanĩre hamwe kwarĩra mĩtaratara ya gũteithĩrĩria thirikari gũkinyanĩria matanya maya nĩguo kũhũthĩria Akenya mũrigo wa mũtũrĩre. Thirikari ĩrĩ ihenya-inĩ rĩa gũkinyanĩria waaki wa nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ, na President William Ruto erĩgĩte kwanĩrĩra atĩ arĩa mabatie kũgunĩka nĩ Akenya a gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ ĩndĩ ti tang'a.
Statistics say that we have a deficit of 200,000 units per year in Kenya, and our main aim agenda is to bridge that gap to try and reduce the deficit of housing in Kenya, because housing is among the basic needs, one of the basic needs for human beings. So our purpose is to bridge that gap and make sure each and every person has a shelter.
As Kakamega County, we can say that we have quite a shortage in housing. In a few years' time, Kakamega County is supposed to be a city. We have actually started the stages of becoming a city, and we have a very big shortage in urban settlement, especially affordable homes for people.
We are looking into partnering with developers, partnering with real estate owners, landlords also, so that when you are building your houses, you have someone who will provide internet solution for your home.
After elections, things are coming up very, very well, especially in the sector of people putting up commercial buildings, acquiring property, because this year people are very upbeat. And we have seen quite some inquiries around us managing their houses, us drilling water. Like water has been the biggest uptake so far.